Hey, and welcome to my new video. Today we're going to talk about video thumbnails and how you can make them. So let's jump in the video. And then I saw this. Please just click the button and that's all. You're supporting me and my creativity. And 61.1 is a big number and we can change this. So please click the button. That's all. And thank you. Your YouTube videos are not getting many views? I have a solution. You need thumbnails. I mean, thumbnails like this, or maybe this. That's how we can make them. Okay, and open Google and type canva.com and open the first window, and this is a site where you can make your own thumbnails for videos, and that's all the magic. Just click create design, write thumbnails, click the first one, and they will give you a whiteboard, uh, and you can upload some pictures from your phone or computer or something else. You can choose photos, and I mean like this one, and you can write on this photo if you want, of course. Hello, or you can choose between with font combinations, free delivery, game on, huge sale. I like this game on or huge sale. I like this one, but yeah. So this all the magic. And this is it for this video. Thank you for your attention and for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like or dislike, and write a comment about anything you want to know about me. And you can watch my other videos. So thank you guys for watching and see you later. Bye.